Box cover, what's up burritos? Welcome to my top 20 Jamaican reggae / dancehall songs of 2017. People, no, I came up with these songs on my own. I just tried to think about what were the songs that I thought really occupied this dancehall space, the reggae space the most, and who, you know, brought something interesting to the table in 2017. So hoping you agree with me. If you don't, comment below. Let's get into it. So number 20, I have Love Situations by Jada Kingdom. Now Jada Kingdom, you might know her as the very sexy, seductive, you may call it full-figured Instagram model, but she put on that pan a little break and, you know, went into the music world, and trust me people, she'll go with her crocus bag of things. Every young girl across Jamaica know that song line for line.
But I'm patient, we were waiting, because I know my time that I'm wasting. I know my time that I'm wasting.
Now in the number 19 spot, I have Fresh Cash by Movado. Movado has been off the scene for quite a while, but he came back with this big hit song in 2017. Fresh Cash. Some people, honestly, me and one of them, I thought that he said press gas, but yeah, it was actually Fresh Cash.
Fresh cash, fresh cash, I we say fresh cash. As me Friday gone, me Friday come.
Now in the number 18 spot, we have Pine and Ginger by Tessellated, Amindi K and Frosty. No, oh my gosh, this song was just, I think it's one of the most played songs of 2017. This song came out, it had a slow, steady rise, but by the end of the year, we could acknowledge that it definitely had to be one of the top songs of the year.
She has said Pine and Ginger. Me tell her if you wine pan the thing, but she no play that. She has said Pine and Ginger. Me tell her if you wine pan the thing, but she no play that.
Number 17 is Lifestyle by Curvy Diva. Jeez, this one surprised me now. Curvy Diva, this one know her as a media personality, and this was her first time, her first single, first official single, I must say. And trust me people, it went with a bag of things. It's shell. Lifestyle, big bumper girl, bossa.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what hype life is. Life for me little, them that are the nicest.
Number 16 is the big international single by Conscience, Turn Me On. If you do not know this song, something is wrong with you. This song, the video was nice. It had some of like the sexiest, hottest, you know, Caribbean girls them, and it was directed by J Will, and boy people, the song just shell.
Turn me on, 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 turn me on.
Number 15 position, who do you think it is? It is You Me Love by Jamil. This single was one of my favorite reggae anthems for the year. It was just a breath of fresh air compared to the regular music that was on the radio.
Girl, you my love, no what I got him in no prefer. Tell her me not go leave, and she said great man, whatever. She said me.
Number 14. I know you like it when I between the sheet. Sheet by Spice, absolutely one of the favorites of 2017.
I know you like the way I whine between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheets. Stab me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum man.
Number 13, I have to give it up to the newcomer in the industry. It goes by the name of Sheena Leggo Naah by Lanz. Yeah, people may not have to say no more about that. The man literally do a song about a threesome with him mate and him official wife. I don't know what the mate, I don't know what the wife, but yeah, the song did shell.
Sheena Leggo da, Sheena Leggo naida, Sheena Leggo da, Sheena Leggo naida.
Number 12, Banga by Aidonia. Me no need to say nothing more. This song did just like, yeah, like, what you Aidonia, like, yeah.
Banga mana banga mana banga. Banga mana banga mana banga. Roll dog, load up your banga.
So for number 11, I couldn't really decide, but I know it's going to be an alkaline song, and it is between Impact and After All. So wanna decide which one I give.
After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. From me little me a say anytime me get in, me a feel like for impact.
Number 10 most definitely have to be Blood Money by Protoje. I do not know why people don't give this man more ratings. The man underrated. The man is just one of them little people that were just prolific. Him just, you know, pre-Protoje meds them. It no normal. Protoje, Blood Money.
A real bad man I go say
station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation.
Number 9 song of the year is none other than Dexter Daps' Bring It to the Owner. One more for say than that. One more for say than that. That Dexter Daps literally make every single woman in Jamaica underwear just wet up. Just wet up. Them just walk and want to ring out.
Bring it to the owner. No. I you did say my pussy so cold. Yeah. Bring it to the owner.
Number 8, I have Infrared by Vybz, Kartel and Masicka. People at every single dance when this song just start, you just want to hear the intro. My dad them off everybody blow. Masicka, this was just a big collaboration for you. You better thank Kartel for the ground when walk on to give you this hit song because it just sent a career in a one extra skyrocket zone.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Come back the girl in and them all a who no like how we a live.
Number 7, Party Animal by Charly Black. No, I actually considered and wondered, should I really put this as one of the top 20 songs of 2017? Even though it came out like a good 3 years ago. And I thought, yeah, because it's in 2017, the song actually became just internationally popular. Kind of like one similar thing with them to Omi. He was featured on the Wendy Williams show. He had actually had a performance there. Then he was on the Tidal show performing with, what do you want to sing? Despacito, Louis, oh God, I forget the man's name. But yeah, Charly Black's Big Up Yourself, Party Animal. Y'all bubbly, hold me.
Y'all wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me.
Number 6, We Pray, Dre Island featuring Popcorn.
We ain't giving up, no. We put up a fight, we got to be ready.
You know, once Popcorn in one song, you know, say it like a shell, but what people now really pray is that Dre Island actually brought his own entire energy, and the song without Popcorn is a big monster tune without the feature.
We pray. Let's not be flow when the prayer gone up.
Number 5, Vybz Kartel's
Get the oats, get the supplement, get the nuts, get the nothing made, blame it up, turn it to your head, get a gal and just go get your children.
Now listen, Vybz Kartel literally educated the masses. He just told every single young person in Jamaica that there are certain things that you need to put on your to-do list. It should hardly be on your vision board. Get a youth and get your children. You know, if never really tell the youth them for, you know, married and them little thing there, but get a youth and get your children and you learn about the oats, you learn about the little supplement, all the things, all of them prices here just go up, okay, you know, so Kartel stay. He did the same thing for clocks.
We see Bokopina, we see Bokopina, we see Bokopina, Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs, stop, bang, stop, man, them.
Number 4, Fling, Shoulda Fling by Ding Dong. People, I don't know how Ding Dong do it. Ding Dong just find a formula. He just know how to just create the hits them year after year after year. And I think somebody needs to give him an award for consistency because he is literally doing the same thing that Elephant Man did in the early 2000s. Just find a way to just keep Jamaicans dancing. And the brother have to be celebrated and congratulated for that.
Cool ravers, man shoulder for your flick. Yeah, that's bad you. Tell your shoulder for your flick. Cool ravers, a power with Ding Dong, the new dancing king. And a shoulder for your friend. Tell a shoulder for your friend. Watch your words to a speak and attack with your bad mouth.
Number 3, Gist has got to be one of the most controversial songs ever in a dancehall history. It is none other than Shawna's Equal Rights.
I just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you not have it now.
Do I need to send more people? Do I hard need to say anything more burritos? Like all who never used to say KFC finger licking good, I say it right about, you know. All who never went to see this said do it to me baby, they hard doing it right now. This song spark a bunch of controversy from Bounty Killer coming out and licking out against this. Oh God, probably bad choice of words right there. So, but yeah, one of the most controversial songs of that in a dancehall history. Shawna, yeah.
Your back man I use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice. Me say equal rights and justice.
Now this is where it gets tricky. Me have 2 songs left to be the top song of 2017. Me no want to come louding me up. Me no want to come, ready for come fling 2 meter after me. But I are going to say it. Right now. Oh God, where do I go? Where do I go? It's between a reggae song and a dancehall song. Well, we call like a roots reggae song, type of flavor, and a dancehall, a classic dancehall tune. Who do I give it to? The number 2 song of the year goes to Yeah by Aidonia.
Push, load, rum, junk, yo, we are wild out and a shout.
Now here's why I gave this song the second position. Aidonia just out of nowhere. People know say Aidonia bad from long time, but Aidonia wanted that year that he could really release a lot of mainstream songs. Because in Jamaica you need the mainstream songs there where say they on the chart so people can remember you and you get for like top all of the award shows them and all of these things. And I think Aidonia did his homework. He went and I think he really talked to his son, because yes, me go feel say I'm son. When son name again, me remember when son name Khalif Jingpao. I don't remember, but feel say Aidonia literally consult him son, and him son give him advice on how to write him songs then for 2017. Because all of them sound like something where a little pitney would have said. You get me? He come out with the first song, banga banga banga. And yeah, banga banga banga. We'll probably talk to him son and I say, yo, what, stop the banging on the door. You get me? And the son say, banga 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 banga. And I saw Aidonia just put pen to paper. Then next thing probably him son didn't know, and I play with the stove, and then him go touch the kettle now and it go burn him. And him son go say, hot. And then Aidonia just say, hot tool. And right there again, I saw Aidonia just put pen and paper. Then all of a sudden this whole, yeah. I must say, make sure say you don't do that again. And then, like him son say, yeah, daddy, yeah. And right there again, Aidonia just find the family. Like, Aidonia, I know me preach. That I write the song, my son I write the song then.
Couple rubber band, couple stop then.
But big up yourself, Aidonia, yeah. Every single party in Jamaica, that was the male Cardi B Bodak Yellow.
She said she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B.
The girl them when them hear Bodak Yellow, so everybody sing out the one of the words them. But in Jamaica, the guys them Bodak Yellow was Aidonia's yeah. You know one day I want party when the song that they come out in a summer people. Boy.
Yeah. Ha ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then.
And the number 1 song, the baddest song of 2017, the number 1 numero uno song, song of 2017 has to be, without a doubt, Likes by Chronixx.
Me do it for the love, and I do it for the likes. Do it for the love, and I do it for the likes. Do it for the love, and I do it for the likes. Do it for the love, and I do it for the likes. Make them know success don't.
Me no need to say nothing more. I mean, this song it managed to get the reggae audience, but what was unique about this song is that it had a dancehall vibe. So true dancehall lovers enjoyed the song, appreciated the song. So everybody could really, it created this sort of unity in the Jamaican space where you had like older people, you had younger people, everybody wanted to partake and be a part of this song.
Them not like we, but we not response. Fly out and make them love we from a distance.
This Like song was a movement. It was, the timing of it was just very special. We live in the social media age and all of these things. So when Chronixx says something like, we do it for the love, not for the likes, of course it's gonna hit home. It is going to resonate with the youth, and anything that resonate with the youth, older people, Chronixx has that appeal. Same seem like him have that like a vintage appeal, him have an old soul. So your grandfather, your granny, everybody can really appreciate a good Chronixx song. Not many people can do that, and me say right now, like, you literally are charting some Bob Marley footsteps in terms of just like having such a wide and diverse audience. Chronixx has to be your boy Likes. That's all I have to say. Not to mention it, or that is it. Congratulations, Chronixx. You have the number 1 song for my list, of 2017. Big up everybody who, made the list. For those who never made the list, next year today. But yeah, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed the burritos. If you have any additions or things that I should have, taken off some of the songs that I had on it, comment down below. That is it, people. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment, and most importantly, please subscribe. Big up to all of the burritos. Them happy 2018. My love no bad, and a social media countdown will be coming out soon. If you want to send me an email, it is dottyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, take care. I have 2 more review videos for 2017, the top 20 mix-ups of the year and the top 10 viral videos of the year. You don't want to miss that, people. Alright.